Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You should start with Icue installed and devices connected. This lets the app detect hardware immediately. Once done, run Icue as administrator so drivers and permissions load correctly, and the software can update firmware. Make sure Windows power settings won't suspend USB ports, otherwise devices may disappear. Now scan the dashboard. You'll see each device tile. Click the first device to begin configuration and proceed to Profiles. This is where you'll do the initial mapping and lighting setup. You'll want to create a profile right away. Choose Global for system-wide settings or Parap for game-specific controls. This lets Icue switch automatically. Next, open lighting effects and add layers so effects stack predictably. Set blend modes and timings to control transitions. Then map keys or buttons in the Actions tab. Assign macros, key remaps, or shortcuts so one press executes complex sequences. Make sure to save and test each change in the app to verify behavior before moving on. Once your profiles and lighting are configured, tweak performance settings like polling rate and DPI per profile to match games or productivity. This improves responsiveness and battery life. Export and backup profiles so you can restore settings or share them. If something fails, device not detected or effects missing, update firmware and drivers first, then restart Icue and reconnect devices. Often a firmware reinstall or running Icue as admin resolves conflicts. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.